How to accept money requests on Cash App. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to accept money requests on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to accept money requests on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app, where there are various options that you can use to get access to different features of the app. From there, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon that appears here. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account, as you can see here. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this part of the page where there's an option named Account and Settings. Under the option, there are more options. From those options, make sure you tap this option here named Privacy. On this page, you are in the Privacy section of Cash App, where you can control different account privacy settings. To manage who can request money from you, tap Payment Requests. Once you tap on it, you will land on this other page. On this page, you can choose who is allowed to send payment requests to your Cash App account. You can select anyone to allow all users to send requests, contacts only to limit requests to people in your contacts, or no one if you do not want to receive any payment requests. After choosing your preferred option, the setting will be updated automatically. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Thanks! That is how to accept money requests on Cash App.